Hi, we are JR Media Institute. We strongly believe that education should be viewed in a global perspective. With the current media scenario and demand of the industry, we offer a range of courses from degree to diploma at both graduation and post-graduation level. So first, we'll talk about BJMC, Bachelor in Journalism and Mass Communication. BJMC offered by JR Media Institute is a 3-year degree program. We focus on providing exposure to the students to various media forms. In addition, students come across to the impact of different media on society. The curriculum often incorporates practical training, internships and projects to prepare students for career in journalism, public relation, advertising and other communication related fields. The goal is to develop a well-rounded understanding of media practices, critical thinking and effective communication strategies such as understanding of concepts, building of skills, knowledge of liberal arts, development of journal awareness, critical thinking and practical learning through projects.